In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host an instant Google Meet session. Let's get started by opening your web browser and going to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. You'll usually see your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. If you're not signed in, click there and log in first, because you'll need your account to start a meeting. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner for the small grid icon made up of 9 dots. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on that, and you'll see a panel open with a variety of Google services. Look for the Meet icon. If you don't see it right away, scroll down within that panel until you find it, then click on Google Meet. You'll now be taken to the main Google Meet page. Here, Google gives you a few options. But for an instant session, we want to start a meeting right away. Look for the button that says something like New Meeting or Start an Instant Meeting. Click on that, and Google Meet will immediately begin setting up a new video call for you. In a moment, you'll be taken into the meeting room. You may see a prompt asking for permission to use your camera and microphone. Choose Allow so participants can see and hear you. If needed, you can turn your camera or microphone off using the icons at the bottom of the screen. For example, if you want to join muted or without video at first. Now that the meeting is live, you'll need to invite others to join. In the middle or bottom of the screen, you'll see an option to copy the meeting link or view the joining information. Click that and copy the link provided. You can paste this into an email, a chat message, or a calendar invitation so people can join you right away. As participants start to join, keep an eye on the bottom toolbar and the controls. You can mute yourself, turn your camera on or off, or use the options menu to share your screen if you want to present something. This is helpful for quick collaboration, troubleshooting, or walking someone through a document in real time. When you're finished with your instant session, simply click the red hang up button at the bottom of the screen to leave and end the meeting. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully hosted an instant Google Meet session and invited others to join you on the fly.